Once again, I welcome you guys to the Make It Simple YouTube channel. In this video, what I'm going to explain is writing a simple program for countdown timer using Python. You all know about countdown timer, right? If you set it to 1 or 2 minutes, it will count down in seconds and minutes. So that we are going to implement today. Let's get into the demo. So here, this is my PyCharm IDE, and just I'm going to create a file for over here. I'm just clicking a Python file and mention it like countdown. That's it. I'm not creating with the extension because I'm just creating a Python file. That's it. I'm just adding it with the Git. And before that, I will explain about a built-in function. Right, a built-in function in Python. Built-in function in the sense like what are the built-in function we have seen, like example is print we have seen and input and all seen, right? Similarly, there's a built-in function called div mode. So as the name implies, right? So it will do both division and modulation, right? So what it will do is like it will take the two parameters like x and y. So I can say x and y, where x is treated as a numerator and y is treated as a denominator. And what this method will do is like the method will calculate both, as I said, right? Division modulation. It will do division x, y, and then modulation like x percentage y. So it will do both and it will return both the values. Or I can say in simple terms like it will return a tuple containing the quotient and the remainder when argument 1 is a dividend is divided by the argument 2 divisor. That's it. So what we'll do is like I'll just give a simple example over here, and here what I'm going to do is like I'm just giving 5,2 and I'm just giving print of this one. Let's see what it is going over here, and I'm just commenting out this one and just running this code Python countdown. Yeah, see here you can able to see 2,1. So it is divided with the 2. So this is the divisor and this is the dividend. Okay, so the quotient is 2 and the remainder is 1. Suppose if I give 6 means what will see, it will give with 3,0. Let's see here it is giving 3,0. Why I am saying it over here is like we need to use this built-in function in our example. For example, we are giving countdown timer means I need to divide it with the value and it should return the minutes and seconds. For that we need to use this, and I'm just clearing it over here. Now what I'm going to do is like I'm just going to import a time function, a time package. That's it. And I'm going to define a function. Okay, for this I'm going to use the keyword def, and I'm just writing the function name as countdown, def countdown, and it will take the parameters like time underscore second. That's it. And it will follow with the colon as the syntax, and if I give enter means it will automatically intended. And what I'm going to do is like we want to loop it, right? For example, if I give 10 means it should print like 9, 8, 7, 6. For that I need to use loop. Which loop we can use is like while loop. While usually we use while loop is like to execute a block of code multiple times. So I'm just using the while loop and time underscore second. That's it. And what I'm going to do is like I'm just going to use this div mod value, and I'm passing this time underscore second over there, and I need to divide it with 60. As I said, right, it will return the value in a tuple. So I just need to get the value in two values like minutes, seconds. That's it. And what I'm going to do is like I'm just going to format the code. So I'm just printing in the time format equal to, and here what I'm going to do is like I'm just going to with the time format. For that I'm just giving the curly braces over here, and I need to print that value with 02D, and it will be modifying the value with the formatting 02D. That's it. And what we'll do is like it will format with format of, I just pass the minutes and seconds, sorry, minutes and seconds, and just passing the value over here, and then just simply print the time format. That's it. And what I will do is like if I give 10 second means the next time it should print 9. That means it should go to that next loop, but it should have some time gap, right? For that I'm going to use time dot sleep. For that only I import the time package. I'm just giving a seconds one. That's it. And we need to minimize the count. Like if I give 10 minutes, it should get 10 9, right? So I need to minimize that value. For that, time underscore second minus equal to 1. That's it. Now what I'm going to do is like I'm just print the stop. That's it. And I need to get the value, right? For that, what I'm going to do is like I'm just going to get the value of num equal to input of what I can give, like set your timer in seconds. That's it. And next one is like we need to pass that value to the function, that value. And here, if you explained in many videos, like if I are giving this input means, and whatever value you are getting from terminal will treat it as string only. I need to modify the value to integer. I'm just giving this input. Now let's see. Now I'm trying to run this code over here. Let's see what happening. And it is asking like set to timer like in 10 seconds. I'm just giving, it is giving like the key error. I don't know what is the key error I'm getting over here. And it says like key error of 02D. Yeah, see here it is not getting the value, formatting it over here. I'm just running it and again giving 10. And it's printing 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. But I won't get like, I don't want to get like this. I want to print everything in a single same line. Just 10, then 9, 8, 7 like that. For that, what you can do is like in the time format print, right? You just give this end statement. What this end will do is like it will again start in the same output line. So same format in the same line. For that, what I'm going to do is like /r. That's it. Now let's see. Again, I'm just passing this value. I'm just passing this now only 5 seconds. See here. Now the timer is working like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And it stopped over here. Again, I'm passing it over here. I'm passing with 15 seconds. See here, it is the timer is working now. So what I did is like I just imported a package called time. For that, I make use of sleep because I want to minimize with each second. It want to get execute after 1 second only. And then I just use this div mode, basically a inbuilt function which will return the values in a tuple consisting of like quotient and remainder. So I just pass the value and divide it with 60. It will give us minutes, seconds. I just format it. That's it. I just use the while loop. As I explained, right, while loop we can use to execute a particular block of code multiple times. And this is what we call as like countdown timer. If you have any doubts on implementing this, just add in the comment section. I'll be very happy to help you guys. Thanks for watching my video. Have a good day.